Hey YouTube, this is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Alright, good morning YouTube. This is I don't know, we will just say this is a video for our 5.4 build on our S197 Mustang 2005 to 2009, and we're going to show you where we currently are. It is I don't know, 5 o'clock in the morning. You turn here, yeah, see that it's super dark out, and we are cleaning up the block. And we've had so much rain here in the Northeast due to Hurricane Fred, or whatever the hurricane is, that the shop got flooded, so everything is soaking wet, as you can see. So we're in the process of trying to dry that all out. So the build has a hold on it for the moment, but we've been cleaning parts, so that's what we're working on now, cleaning up the parts. And we've got the parts a little bit here and there, and over here I'm working on taking a exhaust manifolds out and taking the two bolts that broke in the head. So now what I have to do is I have to weld down in there and somehow get these stupid things out. So I've seen some videos on YouTube that we're going to try and see how that works, on how to get those bolts out, but we'll see how it's going. So that's where we currently are. Like I said, we're a little flooded right now, so it's slowing down. My build is slowing down for the moment, but right now what we're doing is we're cleaning up parts. So we're not going to use the Lincoln, we're not going to use the Navigator intake manifold. We're going to get a Sullivan single plane intake manifold and a throttle body adapter to go with that. But so that's where we are right now at the moment. All right,